Hi, today we'll be talking about Combat Gear Kit, adopted and selected for the armed forces of the Russian Federation. As you have already noticed, it is the STRELOK Combat Gear Kit. Let's start from the advantages. The STRELOK Combat Gear Kit is equipped with a wide range of body ballistic protection packs, which provide over 135 dm of coverage against fragments. That is, approximately 70% of a person's total body area. A number of ballistic protection packs provide safety of vulnerable zones of the human body, which are hard for first aid procedures. Thus, the user has an opportunity to efficiently fulfill his duties during intense operations. Talking about bulletproof protection, the STRELOK Combat Gear Kit is equipped with two BR5 armor plates that provide torso and back protection. In accordance with state standards adopted in the Russian Federation, it must endure the 7.62 by 45 caliber bullet with a steel head-tempered core from 10 meters distance. The weight distribution system provides transferring the load from shoulders to belt and hips that enhances the comfort during use and preserves users' combat readiness. The attachments of additional ballistic packs allow to adjust the ones no matter what field uniform you carry right now, either as I am today in summer uniform or winter one with tight combat jacket. Owing to a large variety of accessories available to mounting on STRELOK Combat Gear Kit, including armored elements, magazine pouches, and additional ballistic protection packs, the kit can be easily adapted to suit the specific needs of the service or combat task. It is meant for weather patrolling operation carrying one armor plate or during assault ones, being in a full kit. Let's consider the fully loaded STRELOK Combat Gear Kit. We have a personal bulletproof armor vest Corset Plus with a weight distribution system and tactical belt, ballistic protection including the body zones hard for pre-medical assistance, different pouches for all sorts of equipment, we'll talk on that a bit later, and transporting means. Speaking of the latter, the transporting means comprise the bag T120, in which we carry the whole package of kit, and tactical backpack T30, having convenient quick-release system for transporting additional equipment, for example, the helmet. The backpack has 180 degrees opening and Velcro system inside allows to distribute additional equipment conveniently. So, let's pay our attention to the bulletproof vest itself. The fastex of the shoulder strap allow to put on a bulletproof vest without taking the helmet off. The corset system distributes the load from shoulders and waist to belt and hips. Adjustments of the corset system allow to detach the bulletproof vest from the belt quickly. There is also a mechanism that enables the soldier with a one-hand single motion to release the body armor. Apart from the bulletproof vest and belt, the Combat Gear Kit comprises a number of additional armor modules, including neck protection consisting of front and back parts, shoulder protection covering shoulders and biceps, and groin protection consisting of abdominal module and apron, hip protection consisting of 3 segments, hip protection consisting of right and left elements. The modules have BR1 and C2 armored components. The module system allows the user to place them himself without a necessity to take the bulletproof vest off. The ergonomic construction of the modules carried keeps them sitting well even during high mobility. Today, the shrapnel causes 70% of all wounds. That's why there are so many protection modules. As we have already said, the kit comprises lots of pouches. Let's consider them. There are 4 pouches for 2 assault rifle magazines. Each pouch has adjustable cover and elastic strap, providing stable position of armor inside. There is also a pouch for pistol magazine, 2 pouches for 1 grenade and 1 middle pouch for radio station, 1 pouch for keeping second echelon medicines, a pouch for tourniquet, and pouch for keeping critical documents and items of equipment with quick access to them. A 3x8 utility pouch is adapted to special equipment that isn't intended for keeping in the special pouch. A low utility holder pouch for organizing internal space with holders, a pouch for dropping, a pouch for gas mask, and another one for a small sapper infantry shovel. Now let's talk about the combat use options. Despite a large variety of protection modules, it isn't necessary to have a fully loaded combat gear kit. Each combination of combat gear kit should meet a particular task. So if you're deployed far from the combat actions, you may get by with just a bulletproof vest and tactical belt with weight distribution. It shall provide a minimum protection and won't challenge the task accomplishment. Another example, we are deployed in the territory, which is supposed to be hit by long-range systems, and there is no direct combat clash. Now it is necessary to increase the area of protection, so the abdominal module of groin protection and shoulder pads should be added. It still preserves convenience while movement, but at the same time increases the variability of pouches that can be added. At the last case, we will consider the shooter wearing maximum configuration of the combat gear kit. Here, we have to sacrifice comfort and mobility to keep personnel alive. This configuration is suited for pursuing assault operations. Today, we've considered just 3 configurations of combat gear kit, as well as 3 variants of combat use, but there are certainly much more cases. That's it for today. Goodbye.